you? And you want me, don't you? I can see.
Make sure you go ahead and say that. Name? Yeah. Saya, Adam, and Kajal. Mexico. Nickname?
Yeah, Big Dawgs. Banner persons taking the check temperature. We're heading up to Maracas Waterfall today. Hike leaders on the scene. There are a couple of people remaining before we push off. Boom. Yeah, Big Dawgs. Chris here, Maracas Waterfall hike. We just band them up. Hikers here at the sign, taking the selfies. To the back. Those waiting patiently to take this one. Pose. Big up yourself. Big up yourself there. Ravi, what you saying? Talk to me.
Good hike, good hike.
Hikers cursing in the back. Saying there, coming again. What's that? Maracas Waterfall rated 3 out of 10. A little advanced to the beginner. Constant, not really constant uphill. Right now we're rolling some flat areas. But now on the trail you'll meet some hills. Let me show you a nice cascade here. Hold on one second. Cascade to the back. So, there's some other advice when you're deciding for a hike. Find out all the information as possible. Everything. Ask as many questions as possible. You are the person who come on the hike and you need to be able to be most comfortable. So, when you're deciding for a hike, you ask what is the rating and you ask for a rating scale. There's intermediate, beginner, moderate, or challenging. Yeah, or we have our rating scale. 1 to 3, beginners. 4 to 5, 6, moderate. I count 7 as moderate as well. After 7 and above, challenging. Right? At the bottom of each event on Facebook, you will see our rating scale. Yeah, so rest of the hike, scroll along, look for the rating scale, understand what this you're signing up for before you sign up, because you never know, you come on the day and you find out that you are unfit or unsuitable to tackle the trail. Yeah, I have a lot of persons who actually come sign up for hikes and they don't read the information, they just sign up for a hike. So just be wary of that. Find out the information because you don't want to come on the hike and then next thing you know, you get injured. Yeah? Boop. We reach. Tallest waterfall in Trinidad. Dave and Ravi went down to the pot pools. Me and Kavita at Maracas Waterfall. You know what time it is? So, these rocks are not relative. So yeah, take your time. Barista. Dogs, you know what's gonna happen here? You know what's gonna happen here? You know what's gonna happen here? Quick barista session. Oh, are you stove boy? The stove over there, nice. Yeah, Big Dawgs. Gonna take some water. Coming straight from El Tukush. How we talking about? Got our vibes right there. Straight from El Tukush. Big Dawgs. Fresh barista session. I'm just excited. Right, stove done set. Make sure you level. A little rocky, you know. Hopefully it don't can't over. Put on the gas. Oh, fires. Fires. And don't go drink all that water. Big up Call Cafe. They ain't give me no money to advertise what. Big up Call Cafe. Hot Brewster session. Maracas Waterfall. Look at that, look at that. Big Dawgs quick brews. Starting down bubbling already. Oxygen now started to liberate. Look at that, almost boiling. I'm showing this coffee now. Oh yes. Ooh. Oh wow, record the whole plant. Sorry about that there, dude. Plant you back. Oh, look good. Mix up that vibes. Hot brews, dogs. Hot brews. Hot brews. Hot brews on the Maracas Waterfall. Oh yes. Last night I sleep like 4 hours. Wake up 5 o'clock. Pump is pump. I'm gonna sit down on my computer here. I'm gonna call a coffee. Just finished Maracas Waterfall. We're heading down to the pot pools. Say goodbye. I got some epic drone shots. Can't wait to show you it. I'll check it out by the trail for the pot pools. Boom. Big Dawgs. So, just found us on the Maracas Waterfall trail. Persons might often think it's voodoo or some kind of thing. I suggest that we try to respect persons' beliefs, and if you see it, don't disturb it. Yeah, cool. Looks great. I think there probably some birds might come and eat this, and they'll have a good treat. Nice rice and red bean, and hopefully some might fall to the side here. We might get some black iron things to eat in the future. Yeah, so respect. Sure, no problem. I call down. Yeah guys, Maracas Waterfall. These are the pot pools here. Shortly after we departed, we took some pictures, and then the weather changed a little bit and we decided to leave. Yeah. Every month we try to do this event. I hope to see you on the other one, the next one. Register with us. You will find our contact information above or below this video. Until we meet again. Boom.